There's a few of y'all that got y'all kids. There's a lot, actually, a lot of y'all. It's like I think 16.
I tried to work mine, but it's like I got everything to work but the sound.
Right, Mr. Oberdike can help you with that. Did you reach out to him yet?
No,
Okay, make sure you know who Oberdike is.
no,
Oh boy, he's the music teacher, right? You don't have music class?
nope.
Okay, all right. So let me give me a minute. Let me make a note. Tell him to reach out to you. It does have Bluetooth, by the way. Did you know that?
The Bluetooth thing came up on there, but I ain't know if it did if it didn't have Bluetooth.
Is it touchscreen or no?
Yeah,
So you got that part working.
yeah. I got
Hmm.
it working, and I fixed the keyboard because at first for the keyboard, for the P, it's like a minus sign right by the P. So when you type in the P, it put a minus sign. So it's a thing at the bottom where as if you gotta push the button and press the letter that you trying to do to
Do you have your camera? You on your computer or a phone?
my computer.
Right. Can you turn your camera on and show me what you've gotten done so far? It's a possibility to recover some credit if you can.
Um, so can you see me, Mr. Tyler?
I can see your camera. Good. There you go. All right.
So I got it on.
The glare is too high, ma'am. Can you? Okay. Like turn it. Yeah, it works. Now have you been on the internet with it?
Yeah, I searched up YouTube and stuff like that, and it came up. But I told you, like the I can't hear, like the volume.
So does it have a? Do you have a headphone wire jack or something like that? Like, because I think HP,
Yeah,
does that work that way? I was wondering about that. My
I
son did
don't know.
it.
I didn't try it.
Do you think you can get from the dollar store a $5 head jack or something like that?
Yeah.
It's got to be wired, something you could plug into that slot. I think that will work. If you can't get it, I'll see if I go into the school. We have earbuds that I think that might fix that problem. All right. But my
Mm.
biggest thing was if you able to participate on Saturday's event. Do you know about that event? Did you sign up?
Yeah, I think I got my ticket already.
You got your ticket? Did you use the video to put together that kit?
Nope.
So I need you to watch that video. I thought you saw the video with us.
I didn't watch the video. I did it myself.
Oh, oh goodness, you can't do that. So there's some things that's probably not installed yet for you to fully use it because you didn't watch the video.
What video, Mrs. Tyler? What
A
video?
4 minute video, Miss Childs.
Oh yeah, that's
And
too long.
did you get the email from the message from Rush on Esby?
Y'all gonna stress me out.
Yeah, I ain't stressing you out. Trying to help you out. I don't understand y'all. Y'all get a little discipline. Y'all gonna be okay. But you did. I mean, you did like most students. You did great. I'll say that because you put it together without instructions. It seems like. Did you use the instructions in the kit?
Mhm.
Did you look at the book? Because that book is going to be used more and more throughout the weeks, and all the staff have it. All right. So you're early. I just wanted to get you started and make sure you did you look at that book because I wanted to talk about a few pages of that book. That's what let me grab my book so I can show you what page.
I just looked at the instructions, like for where do certain chords go and stuff like that.
So
Now it's some pieces, huh?
this book, do you have it?
Do I have what?
Can you see my
Book?
camera?
Yeah, I have the book.
Okay. I need you to pick the book up because I wanted to tell you what page to go to. This is all you got to do for your exam today because you got midterms.
You said for midterms.
Yeah. Because a lot of students, they don't want to go to the event, and I got to explain this so you don't, I want you to be comfortable. So But you don't have to worry about it. But in the event you don't make it to the event, because I'll be there too, and so some staff will be as well. I'm just warning you. Um, so you just got to read chapter one and chapter two of that book. All right. You see what page? I'm on page 7. So you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the content, the contents.
Right, right. So chapter one and chapter two, I need you to read, and it's not a lot of reading, but I want you to tell me a report on what you learned. That's all you have to do. Not right now, y'all. Got people calling me.
Yeah, I'm on top. What's
So,
going on?
so basically, by Monday, if you didn't go to that Google event and participate with your kit, then you will have to write a report on what you learned in chapter one and chapter two. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now, what was your question?
That was my mama talking. That wasn't me.
Oh, okay. I thought you said something because I was looking down. I'm sorry. But overall, today's asynchronous day. So this is giving you time because I'm gonna let you go a little early, but not until after we do our norms. Okay. So you have time to work on anything you missed. I want you to use your library section of Edsby to get caught up. I'm not having you do anything that I didn't do. I typed it up with you. So all you gotta do is type it the same way I did in the videos. That's why I leave the videos. So just go back, retype up what I did, and you'll get most of your credit back. You understand or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Get used to your kit. Try to troubleshoot it. There's a participation grade involved with these classes. So if you get better with the kit, it's a possibility you might not even have in a final exam. I'm trying to get you guys ready for trade skill or military or college type activities. Okay.
Mhm.
That's all I had. So it's 10:10. Class is about to start. You got extra credit already because you were early. I got to set another timer and get ready. Um, do you still see my screen or no?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm testing out something right now. So Mr. Rush is gonna talk about some things. You can relax and work on, maybe even read that book real quick, some things. But he's gonna be talking to the students coming in about everything we did last period. Okay.
So, Mr. Tyler,
Yes.
is there any specific things that I was supposed to download? Because when you first set it up, like it just tell you really about the raspberry and stuff like that. So it tell you the stuff that your where you from, your language, the Wi-Fi, and then
Right.
when it updated for like 2 hours. So it was like,
So you did
um,
that process. That's cool. That's like she did good. She still didn't read the instruction, but yeah, it takes about 2 hours. That's the good part. I'm liking that you did that part. But the other thing is a lot of your questions. Those are great questions. I want to see those questions pop up on Saturday from you.
mm-hmm,
Okay, that's why you should add
mm-hmm,
the kit to go because you can ask Google these same questions. And again, do you know who Chance the Rapper is?
yeah.
Okay. Did you get the article?
What article? It's in Esby.
Okay, let me share that with the students. So I ended up in the Sun Times newspaper somehow. I gotta find it for you. And the article when you read it will tell you why it's important because my son goes to Limblom and he's got a kit like yours. And
And
it's a big
also,
push.
in this book, the arcade you had us do yesterday,
The what?
the project you had us do in class yesterday,
Yeah.
it's in here too.
It, okay. All right. Well, yeah, I know. Okay, I didn't know that part, but I mean, okay. But no, everything is about computer science. So it probably is, you know. So I'm just trying to tell you it's important. Um, what was I doing? I got people contacting
Anyway,
me. I got that PhD person trying to come to class today, and I'm giving y'all asynchronous. I got to tell them, don't worry about it. 1 second. So there are emails I'm about to send you as well. I want to tell you about that. See, all my links are gone because I had to reboot my computer, Kylie. Um, No. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
oh, in a
The morning
help.
after
Oh,
rush.
you helping me out, Rush. Do you have that sometimes? Oh, he left.
He left.
I started talking. I was looking at the second screen, like, oh, this is like video gaming. I'm trying to tell you guys, you're learning. There he goes again. All right, you there, Rush?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that thing was acting crazy, man.
Miss Child was early, and I've been like talking her head off about what she got to do. Can you go ahead and get your spiel out of the way, or do you want to wait? Because she's the only one here, but I got a feeling some more students. See, there we go. I got good intuition.
With her little pink.
Oh yeah, they all
So I guess we
talking.
should wait. Like it's already 10:13. Welcome, Courtney. I'm assuming everybody in this call has their kits, right? And I want Kylie for I mean, I'm trying to help your grade out a lot because you did do without the instructions. Proud of you. But I need
Mr.
you,
Funes gave me mine yesterday.
you said what, Courtney?
I said Mr. Funes gave me mine yesterday.
Cool, cool, cool. So Kylie has already set hers up and she's getting extra credit. Kylie, is that a yes or a no? I want to know in advance before I start talking.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So you got to do the same thing you did earlier, but I know you was smart about putting it together, but I need you to slow down and explain the hard parts, even the sound parts, but don't go too fast with your camera. Um, Gabriel left. Darn, I was about to start the norms. All right, so let's give Gabriel a second to come back. We're gonna do our norms, and I'm gonna let Kylie speak after. Or Kylie, you want to speak after Rush or before Rush?
I think after Mr. Rush.
Okay, all right. So Rush, you gotta warm her up. Okay.
So basically, you trying to say you say the best for last? That's what you're trying to say, Kylie? The best for last?
That's what
Yeah,
she
yeah,
said.
yeah.
I gave her the choice. Don't put that on
No,
me.
that's
We
all I'm
got
talking
Gray.
about.
We got Gray that walked into class. You gonna have to update him. I'm not sure if he got his kid. I'm looking at my list. Let me see here. I'm trying to get my attendance done. I'm behind.
You want me there now?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. I have to go.
Okay, so 10:15. All right, and let's see here. All right, so we're past the time for late people. Um,
Jess said when she get off, she'll come get you from my mama house.
and then let me
Let me get my stuff in here, 'cause you
let
can
me
get my
help Kyle. After the Kyle, I'm gonna mute you. Oh, baby. Okay. All right. So we'll come back to Kylie. Um, Kevin Rush will speak after the norm. So everybody pay attention to what he's had to talk about. And that's my co-teacher. So I'm trying to get my norms. Rush, can we do that test again where you share your screen? Do you have norms you can help me find? I'm trying to get my Google Drives and everything. And I'm having trouble. I need a little assist.
All right.
So can
So,
you present your screen and help students see your screen? It's Gabriel. Because I can't get my attendance screens to work again.
I got you. Ooh, that soda, man, thing choked me.
You a trip. All right, I'm gonna mute myself, Rush. You take over. They need to do their norms, and
Yeah,
then you need to go. And then when Kylie comes back, have her. She has it set up already, so we got to
yeah,
show that.
I got you.
All
Let me
right,
pull.
thank you, sir.
All right.
Uh,
I need to set mine up. Well, what you waiting on, good brother? No, I think it's like I was asking it's Ty earlier in GGI. I was asking him how do I get to the video to set it up? All right, I'll put the link in the thing for you. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me set up everything. Hold on.
green light, Rush. Here we go.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, from what I understand, the way Tyler usually let y'all do this, he give y'all about 1 to 3 to say each.
No one has the right to hurt another person. Education and the classroom are sacred. We will never behave in a way that will discredit ourselves, our school, or our family. And the Cell Academy of Students Southwest always acts with integrity. We take pride in the Cell Academy of Southwest.
5 academic. Who else in here? Gabriel here. Gabriel here. Did he?
We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are to participate. We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary
All right. Good job, y'all. Hold on. Let me pull up the next step. Wait, Ty, you just wanted the norms first, or you wanted to dispel now, or what?
It's your show, man.
All right. All right. All right. So y'all know in the SB or whatever, I sent y'all this long message. So everybody in here, I assume, did these 2 links already. Y'all got past the main part. So now I assume everybody's on the part where they building their computers. So this is the video. I'm gonna send you this link right now, Courtney. I'm gonna put it in the chat so that you are you gonna build it now or are you gonna build it later? Because you can it's an asynchronous day, because y'all are participating. So if you want, you can actually start doing it
Courtney
now.
just left. Rush. I think he's coming back.
Okay. All right. So
That works, but you might have to post it only when he comes back because
oh,
when he comes in, the screen refreshes and there's nothing there.
okay. Well, Gabriel, did you pick up your kit yet?
Yeah.
You know
My
how to
fault,
put.
Mr. West. My thing had started messing up. You said I was gonna complete it when I was done.
All right, look, you see the link. You see the link in the chat. Hey, Gabe, do you know how to put it together, Gabe, or you need help?
Yeah,
Look,
I got it.
Courtney, you see the link in the chat.
Yeah.
All right, so there you go. You go there. I can't hear you, Gabriel. Gabriel, I can't hear you, Gabriel. Gabriel.
I said I put math together.
Oh, okay. All right, that's good. All right. Hey, Jarrell. Hmm. How he gonna show it, Tyler? He ain't got do. Well, you know what? You're right. Yeah, and flip the computer around, right?
But that's what Kylie did. Yeah, earlier you missed
All
it.
right.
It's in
Hey,
the
Gabe,
report.
turn your camera on, right? Sh- Um, turn your camera on and show your completed Raspberry kit.
That's fine. But did you go through the updates, Gabe? I think it was a 2 hour process. Kylie said she had hers all plugged up and ready to go, and she did talk about that too. So you did go through the update process. He's typing in the chat.
It's I got to rebuild it.
Well, yeah, you could take it apart, but he probably needs like 5-10 minutes to do it. So you gotta be delicate with those parts. So next time, just try to leave it connected because we're gonna be using it a lot. The staff have one too. That's what Rush is gonna talk about. So, Rush, I'm gonna let you do your thing, man.
Okay. So I assume Courtney watching the video, trying to learn how to put his together.
Nah, I ain't watching the video. I'm gonna say I was gonna do it after school.
Oh, okay. Well, look. Well, you got a whole period right here, right? I mean, it's up to you though, but you got a whole period right now. We're not doing the work. It's just all focused on tomorrow.
So this is a period to put together our Raspberry kit.
Yes, sir. You need that for your final exam. Midterm.
I thought y'all said if we did the thing, then we was excused from the midterm.
Yeah, but you got to show your camera to show that it's done, Courtney. And I need you to
All right, I'm about to start working on it right now.
Yeah, please, because I'm getting you out of the test. Focus.
All right, I'm gonna work on it right now. Right now.
Hey, Jarrell. Hey, did you pick up your Raspberry kit yet?
No.
Okay. Did you at least do the 2-step process with the 2 links?
I did the one process.
Which one was that? The survey?
It's not in the chat no more.
No, I'm saying, did you do the survey or did you do the reserve your ticket? Which one? If not, we can do that right now. Which one? All right, I'm gonna put the 2 links in the chat. Hold on real quick. All right, that's one link. That's going to take you to the screen to reserve your ticket. You got to do that right now, like ASAP. The second link right here is the survey. Both of these is like real quick processes. It don't take long at all. This is the most easiest process. So, if you need help, share your screen, Jarrell, and I can help you if you need help.
All right, and there's also an extra credit assignment in the chat. I want you guys to read the article. This is not me showboating or being important or anything like that. I ended up in this sometimes, and I don't know how many of you guys know Chance the Rapper. He's the one that gifted all of you guys with these. It wasn't Mr. Tyler. I was just doing distribution, and I'm a technology person, so that's why they selected our school. So take this serious. It's an easy way to. And I talked to Mr. Tilbury. He's on board 100% with you guys using these kits to get ready for workforce development. So take some time and read the article. I'm gonna put it in here again because I see Kylie's back.
Yeah, I was going to say. I'm trying to. I was about to ask her if she in a position to still be able to explain, but I don't know if she is.
I can explain it.
You sure? Because if it's not a good time, don't worry about it.
No, I can still explain it.
All right. Hey, Tyler, you wanted her to just tell them or you wanted her to actually show something?
No, she can do. If she can explain it, that's exceptional. Let her.
Okay.
Explain it. Kylie, you will get extra credit. Girls Who Code clubs. Okay, so.
Mr. Tyler, is this the chip that he put in there?
Oh, I'm glad you asked that question.
It's already a card in there. So it's not like I don't know if you can take it out. You probably got to read the book again. But when I tried to do it, I couldn't take the card out.
Mine
When
came
you pull
out.
it up, I can show you, Miss Tyler, because when you pull it up, it don't come out. It just sit in there.
Mine did come out. I just took it out.
Okay. Courtney, did you read the book inside?
Oh, okay.
Hey Tyler, you can't really hear you. Tyler.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you a little better. Yeah.
Courtney, you got to read the book.
I thought you said you gotta watch the video.
No, you can. The video is not everybody's going to get it with the video, but it's a lot to do, Courtney.
All right.
You probably need to read the book. Did you get your page like this that I have? Let me show my screen. There's a page in there. Did you follow those instructions, Courtney? This page? You have to read. This is getting you out of your midterm exam. Courtney, do you see my screen? Dang.
Yeah.
Let me turn off my background,
no.
Courtney. Hold on. Let me turn off my background.
The school problems.
Okay, here we go. All right, there you go. Now, do you see this screen? You see my screen?
Yeah.
You got this.
Yeah.
You need to read this and follow the steps.
Okay.
That didn't really help me either. Because I was kind of confused when I was setting it up.
There's also, Courtney, hold on, everybody. I want everybody to know everybody see what I'm doing. Inside of the kits are books, everybody. I'm going to be giving you assignments from these books. I hope you read these books. If you do not have your kit completed, I want to get this out the way. You will have to do chapter 1 and chapter 2 of your book and give a report, a 2-page report on the book. If you do not go to the Google Code next, I need a 2-page report on these 2 chapters, and I will read the book with you to let you know if you finesse me. Go ahead, Courtney.
How many shirts?
So do I replace the?
I'm not gonna tell you. I want you to read your book and make it work like every other student. No, this is baptism by fire, young man. No, your questions you say for Google on Saturday. I'm pushing you guys into the fire. I'm so sorry. You have to read your book and follow the instructions. If you do it wrong and your computer does not work, I will know. I'm an engineer. These questions, you guys are engineering and physics students, they cease. Now, I'll answer questions that, are relevant to your understanding, but no, you have to do it by trial. You have to try it. And if you did it wrong, then we're going to figure out what you didn't understand. Mr. Rush is still your class.
Oh, okay. All right. So Kylie, even though you say you had a few complications, but you still ultimately put it together and it worked out, right?
Yeah, because I ended up reading the instruction book, but I ain't watched the video. But the video we watched in class, I was paying attention, but I wasn't paying attention. So it was like I read the book, and the book helped me way better because with the instructions on the paper, like I don't know, like it confused me because I ain't know the exact word of it. So when I looked inside the book, like it shows a picture and it shows how you put it in and stuff and like that.
Right. All right. So Courtney, you can use both the video and the book if that make it a little easier for you, because that's what I ended up doing, Courtney. I watched the video and then I read a little bit of the book. So just do that. Just let me know when you put it together, Courtney. And Jarrell, are you working on the 2 links that I sent, Jarrell?
Mr. Rush, is your kit put together? Because I know you and Tillery, you guys finished yours like quickly.
Yeah. It's upstairs in the upstairs apartment. I have to go up there and get it because my dad.
No, not now, man. I was just asking. I was saying that because of the staff. All the staff, everybody have one in there. A lot of staff members. If you don't know how to do it, you don't like me not answering your question. I did that on purpose. I gave it to staff too.
Yeah, it's easy. All you do is between the book and the video is cake, man. It's so easy. It's not even hard. So, I mean, like I said, it looks intimidating when you first get it, but then when you look at the video in the book, it's nothing. It was not as hard as you thought it was. So, hey, Jarrell, you still here?
Mrs.
Bro, I
Tyler, so
couldn't
for
remove
tomorrow,
Terrell.
we just click our
Um,
tickets, and then it should be a link.
did you got the link already, Kylie? You got the
For
link
tomorrow,
already? Like you did the process,
I
right?
think so.
That's why I want to rush to go over that again with you guys because we got some. I'm gonna rush. If he doesn't respond a third time, you talk. We got to follow up with Gray because this is very important. Um, but Rush, speak on everything that needs to be done because you did this last period. It's
Mm-hmm.
10:34, and I want them to have time to get it together. Those students that can show me a completed kit, it'll be an asynchronous day automatically and out of the midterm. That's what I was trying to explain to you guys. So listen to what Mr. Rush has to talk about, and Rush, I want you to use your judgment on letting them leave early or not today.
Okay. Well, yeah, Kylie, she not in a position right now to show, but she was about to. She said she done, and then she already did the first two links, the first two processes, and
Well, no, the credit for today is that thing we were working on. Remember the Google multi-share thing?
oh, the multi-share. Okay.
I wanted you to go over that with them so they know what I'm sharing with the staff real soon.
All right, cool. In the meantime, I guess you can we'll follow up with Gray later. Because I'm gonna need participation from everybody in here, and if he's not here, then there's no point. So you can remove him.
Oh, just remove him now. I was gonna let you test the waters, but you remove him now, yes, sir.
Yeah, he's not here. All right, so all right, so we're gonna put something to the test, right? You know how everybody usually take turns and they share their screen and show stuff and all that, but it's a way now that we can all actually share our screens at the same time, and everybody will have their screen. So instead of y'all face there, see like how y'all faces, and some of y'all say, "Oh, I want to show my face," and whatever, but it might be a way out of that, and so yeah. But yeah, so the way that we trying to look at it now is have all y'all screen shared at the same time so we can look through the work. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't have to say, "Oh, can I share my screen?" You know what I mean? Everybody's screen will already be on, and it'll be on y'all work. So that's the purpose of that, so that we can toggle through everybody's screen and stuff like that, and what they looking at and whatever, and what they doing, the work or whatever like that. So we're gonna put it to the test right now. Oh man, dang, she left. All right, well, when she come back, I guess. But Courtney, you busy right now? Because we about to put this something to the test. Share your screen, Courtney.
I'm trying to put together my
All
Raspberry
right, yeah,
kit.
because we just want to. All right, well, you trying to put your. I'm gonna wait till Kylie come back, and then I'm gonna let her start it off. Give you a little bit more time. Let her start it off, and then you just follow up. And as soon as all of our screens is presented at the same time, and y'all able to toggle through everybody's camera, then I might start letting people. If I know that y'all know what y'all doing, and that y'all really gonna be working on what y'all got to work on, then people can leave.
Oh my G.
Courtney, it's easy. Please don't start whining. It's very easy.
Like, what is all these little black things for?
It's chords. If you look at the video, the man showed you what chord go where, Courtney. What are you talking about? The man told you.
Don't show all these little black small things. He don't show us nothing about these.
Yes, he do. You got. I'm looking at one of them right now. It's a micro USB. It's the
I
HDMI.
know.
It's
I'm
the
talking about these. You see these?
Let me see. Let me see. Pull up a little. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I ain't get that. What's that? Not unless you hold it wrong.
It came with this.
Yeah. Hold it with your 2 fingers. Show me with your 2 fingers, because I can't really see the way you holding it. Like, show me with your 2 fingers. Hold up to the camera. What are you doing? Just pick one up and show me.
It's a bag and it's a small pieces.
They
talk about those in the book, though, right?
Oh, that's screws. That's screws, Courtney.
There you go. Help him out, Rush. You're doing great, man.
Huh?
Is it for a mouse?
No, bro, just sit down.
Yeah, get your sidekicks to help you build it. They probably build it faster than you.
You got to be careful and make sure you build it the same way as the 4-minute video. If you don't understand certain parts, you have to read a little more.
Yeah, open up that book. Yeah, open up that book.
My bad, Miss Tyler.
He understand. Hey, who's singing? She said,
You got Kylie back.
yeah. She about to get back set up, man. I told her that you understand. Can't control what you can't control. Kylie be extra dedicated, though. I tell you that, boy. Extra dedicated.
Kylie, what I do with these little pieces?
You gotta put them inside of here. So it's a page inside the instruction book. Right now I don't have my book, but in the video it shows you where the pieces go. Now all the pieces, they gave you 2 extra pieces, so you would just place them. Okay, so okay. If you go back and watch the book, watch the video, Courtney, it shows you exactly where to place them. But
Kylie, great job. Just put it together. The pieces, you guys, they're talked about in the book. Those are called extension pieces.
Yeah, they gave you 2 extra pieces.
I was trying to, put pressure on Courtney to put it together like you did. Can you put it together and show us what it looks like when it's done? Like the same thing you did earlier today. Can you do that again?
Oh, I was just trying to get help from my peers. That's all.
No, I'm gonna have you help. I'm gonna have her help you, but she's got it completed. I think, right? Look, you had to separate it, Kylie.
Huh?
You got to separate it, right?
Yeah.
Can you put it back together and make it work, or no?
It do work. What you trying to say, Mr. Tyler?
No. When you pull that piece up, I'm not trying to say.
Okay, so when I inject this piece inside of there, it's like it light up, but then my screen go blank. So I took the piece out and my screen started working.
Okay, your screen stopped working?
It started working when I didn't have this piece in there.
So the hat part, did it turn into a rainbow color when you had it on?
Yeah.
Can you show us that again?
Okay.
Yeah. And I need you to show Rush how that's done. Because Rush, this is how I want students to show this when they're done with the project. So Courtney, pay attention to what she's about to do.
Okay. I gotta find an outlet first. I found one.
And remember, Monday, I'm going to be checking to see who did this. If you don't feel like doing this, you have to do the final exam, which is basically the midterm, because we have 2 of those throughout the quarter. If your kit doesn't work, that's because you didn't do what she did. And a lot of students are getting this correct.
I'm gonna zoom in on Kylie camera, y'all, so y'all can see a better picture.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you, Rush. You got the hang of it.
Of what she doing. So if y'all can't see, y'all can see my screen.
So So, Mr. Tyler, I'm gonna show you like this. You see how the screen like this now, right?
I'm watching Kylie, but
So it's on. But once I project this piece inside of there, it cuts off. I'm gonna show you
what piece are you talking about?
this one.
Okay, and it cuts off.
Yeah, I don't know, cause you might just did that to me last night. So see, my screen went blank.
Right. Okay. All right. So just connect what you can without it going blank, because it's probably an update you need that you didn't do. This is what we was talking about, right?
Yeah, 'cause the man say you gotta
I
update.
updated everything last night because I went to an hour reload and I went to a 2 hour reload. I mean upload.
What did I tell you earlier, Kylie? These are questions for that Saturday event with Google engineers. I didn't put these kids together. Chance the Rapper and Google did. And these are concerns you have, and you should like tear their ear off about it on Saturday. And you guys don't have to even have the kit completed. That's why I did this. If you go to the event, so issues you guys have, you bring it to the Google engineers on Saturday. I already thought 10 steps ahead. It's a chess game, guys. All right. So I do want you to explain real quick what works, what doesn't work to Courtney, and what you thought was useful as far as that kit. So how did you put it together? Did you use the page?
Did I use a page?
The page that's comes with the kit. It's a one pager.
No, I didn't use that.
It says welcome to your Raspberry Pi 400 kit. You didn't use that page at all.
No, I didn't use that, Mr. Tyler.
Okay. So that's one page, right? And everybody's like, what this go? What this go? The page shows you exactly what you need to do, everything.
Uh-huh.
So if you did that, at least on Monday, I'm gonna have my kit set up and everything, and your kit should look like mine's. Now I did this to Courtney. I gotta do this to you. You might need to read the book. Courtney didn't like that. So if you can't get your kit running, then you should at least give that one-page report on. I'm sorry, two-page report. Whose microphone is that? Gabriel. Gabriel's back. Okay. I'll say it again because I don't know if you can hear me. If you can't get your kit working by Monday, you should just instead go to that Google event and do a two-page report. Okay. Gabriel, are you back? Because your microphone's in and out. Because I don't want to mute him. Kylie, okay, let me.
No, you gotta mute him. Mute him.
I got it. It's not letting me. Okay, I gotta remove him because he's not muted. All right, so Rush. Okay, he muted himself. Okay, he's messing up. I'm about to remove it. It's behind. I need you to fix that, Gabriel, and soon, or you'll get it marked absent. I was gonna ask you, did you have your kit together? So who's over there playing? Please stop it. Kylie, are you ready to show anything like far as your work? Your microphone, dear, is off, and I didn't mute you. Like what you? Okay, so you showed me earlier. It was on at least to the startup screen. Can you show that again?
All right, Mr. Tyler, you're gonna stress me out today.
I'm not stressing. Oh, good. I'm trying to help you out. Oh boy, y'all be saying stress me out. You're doing too much. I'm trying to help y'all out with these grades, and y'all just going fuck. All right, so Rush, your screen is still showing. You still got control of the class, man. It's 10:47. I don't know if you got your spiel out yet. I didn't forget. He had a lot of information to give you guys, and we didn't even talk about how to sign up because I don't want y'all to forget for the event we talked about, or how to do the survey. So these are things that Rush are trying to tell you about. But who got that? Courtney got that shirt on. I got a gold and black version. Nice. So what was I saying?
I need one.
Definitely get these things done. I'm trying to make your lives easier, but it's a give and take process. Go ahead, Mr. Rush. I'm sorry. You said something.
Oh no, I was saying I need one of them hoodies.
Oh yeah. Courtney could probably help you out. I got one. We've been having that program at the school for about 2 years now.
Courtney might as well give me his. He don't need it.
So how my thing working when I connect this part? You say what?
Also, staff have that Overdyke and Rush. All the staff have it, Courtney. I'm trying to do some work for Patton. Ask Rush and them. They know. They all the staff know now.
I'm saying it's
All
working.
right, so you said it's working.
Yeah, I don't need this green part.
Test them out, Rush. Test them out. Change screens. I still can't get to my attendance. You know what to do. I'm trying to catch up on some work.
I got you. Hey, Courtney, show me what you got. Turn your camera to the turn your camera around to the all you gotta do is pick your laptop up and turn it. Okay. Oh, okay. And it's on is operating and everything, right? All right, yeah, and then just do your yeah, there you go, and just do your software updates. There you go.
My block, my hood, my city. Nice job, Courtney.
My red Mary. Hey, Courtney. Courtney.
So I don't need this green part.
You say what? Let me see. What you talking about?
I don't need this.
Show me.
You do need it.
You do need that. That is the Sense hat. And you talk to Google about how that works because I'm gonna be giving you activities off that. It's kind of like Arduino's, Courtney. You had my class before. Those are LEDs, everybody.
Oh,
They're
the
supposed to light
microbit.
up in a certain pattern. Yeah, we did microbit. It's similar. You're right. Good job. But that's gonna be what you get graded on real soon as engineering and physics students, as well as computer science.
Courtney, can you do me a favor? Can you check to see if your sound work on your kit?
Hey, Tyler, look who just came in.
Kylie is like in service tech mode. She's on it. Good job, Kylie. That's called participation points.
Look who just came in, Tyler.
Miss Mims. I think she has a kid too.
Well, she better get to talking.
I only think I gotta do nothing that needs sound.
So I'm gonna show you how to get to it. So once you connect it, I don't know if you updated yours. Did you update yours yet?
Nope.
So you will have to update your Raspberry for you to either connect to the Wi-Fi and stuff like that because it won't let you do anything unless well, you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Are you connected, Courtney? So connect it first.
I ain't even done setting up.
Okay, you don't know when you're done setting up. Do you know how to set up?
I don't know. I mean, no.
Can you try to turn it so I can show you? So with that piece, I wouldn't even lie to you. I didn't use them pieces. They still in the box. But I got my Raspberry to work because I connected the HDMI, it's another white cord that you plug into the wall, my mouse, my camera, and it's another piece that you plug into the Raspberry. It's like it look like a charging piece, but you all plug them into the back of the keyboard.
Kylie, you're doing awesome, young lady. I want to tell you the secret to that right now. You can use Bluetooth, or you guys have these smart TVs in the house. They also have an HDMI connection. Merry
So,
Christmas.
Mr. Tyler, it's a small black piece that come with it.
Those small black pieces are upgrade pieces you have to ask Google about. That's for continued exercises in computer science and engineering.
Because I was gonna ask you, can we use those to plug them inside the thing and just?
There's an array. There's an array piece, right? It comes as it's like a flat section of pins.
Yeah.
That's what you use. Those small pieces, leave them in the box, like you said,
Yeah.
until we need them.
Okay.
You do need a bigger or longer HDMI cable. That's the only thing I couldn't help you guys out with because it's not long enough. You can connect HDMI to any smart TV and get
So I
sound.
guess there's one cord that I need to ask you about.
Okay. So that's the one thing that we need to talk about, Rush. Getting students probably HDMI cables that are long enough to connect to their TVs.
I'm trying to see the cord.
Mr. Tyler.
Oh, that's a network cord, Kylie. That's if you want to
No,
connect.
that's a Cat 5. You got it, Rush. You got it.
Yeah, it's a network cord.
So is it mandatory for us to plug it in?
No, I don't think so. No.
You've connected it to your internet, right?
Like if you want like high
Wi-Fi?
speed, like if you want high speed, you know how they got Wi-Fi, and that's Wi-Fi is wireless, and then they got the one that's wired when you connect it straight from your internet router box and straight to your device. Like for example, that piece you got right there, like say like you got a PlayStation, right? And you can't connect to your Wi-Fi on PlayStation. You connect one of them ends to your PlayStation and the other end to the Wi-Fi box, and there you go, boom. You it's called wired connection.
Every time I connect my sense hat, it keep going off.
You connect what?
This hat thing.
Kyrie just said that.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. I don't know. Mr. Tyler had to explain it to her, but
It's supposed to work, though, Mr. Tyler, right? Ain't it supposed to work, Mr. Tyler?
Yeah, like the video. When you watch the video, it's on, right?
it just wasn't working for me,
Watch that
so.
4-minute video. Hey, these are questions you guys are gonna have to talk to Google about. So if you didn't go to the Saturday event, you're really gonna have problems.
I'm saying he's just showing us how to plug up everything. He's not showing us how to do it.
But his kit worked, right?
So
and the book is there.
I didn't personally use it, so I don't know.
To be fair, my son and a few other students did this. I don't know what to tell you. You're not doing something right. Is all I can say. Now, on Monday, I'm gonna show you my kit, and I got the thing lit up, and my son did it.
What you trying to say, Mr. Tyler? We don't know how to do this, huh?
No, I ain't trying to say that. But I did put a link in the chat. Did everybody get the link? It's an article I want you to read about why these kits are important. And I want to let the control go back to Mr. Rush, okay? So if you have a report on that, you have an opportunity to get extra credit for giving a one-page summary of why these kits are important, okay?
And you want to put it in Google Docs and put it in the PhD form?
Yep, you know it. Yeah, if you need help with how to set it up and write a report, I want you to talk to Ms. Frank. Again, this is me forcing staff to talk to staff and forcing students to talk to the staff. All the staff have a kit. And Ortiz kits work. I don't know what to tell you, Kylie. As all the staff are getting this stuff done faster than y'all complaints. So y'all got to fix it. Or even Rush got it done.
That's because Mr. Rush is just Mr. Rush. So
y'all can't just help us with this one little simple little thing.
You can save for tomorrow, Courtney. Because that's not gonna help us right now. Save for tomorrow.
No, but for real though, on some real though, it's just like y'all just don't want to like really like look at the video and really pay attention or look at the book. Like when y'all run into these,
I just looked in the book. They ain't you tell me nothing about like
it's in a book, but like when I was doing it personally, it kept cutting off. So I don't know.
Well, about the cutting off part, I don't know. I guess like how Tyler said, maybe tomorrow you can ask or something. But if it didn't prompt y'all to do
it doesn't cut off. My son went through that process already. I'm purposely not telling this answer for a reason.
Yeah, because I agree. I don't know about why it's doing that. I can't really answer why it's cutting off. I don't know. It ain't that. I wouldn't do that to y'all. Hey, see Tyler. Hey, Tyler.
I'm a BPS parent. I'm sorry. I know what my kids are doing, including y'all. You have to sit down and read that book and make it work, because this is how you keep a job. You can walk into a job. You can walk into a job thinking you know how to do something and make something explode. So, if you want your kid to work, sit down, read that book, even go to the event on Saturday. I know what I'm doing.
So what's the name of this thing so I can look it up in the context thing?
I want you to watch the 4-minute video and figure that out.
We on dirt, Courtney. Just stop asking.
Nah, but for real, I don't know. See, Tyler ain't gonna tell y'all, but I would if I knew why y'all thing was cutting off. But I don't know why it's cutting off, so I don't know how to really help you. Because
You'll know on Saturday if you're there, Rush.
No, I said I'm asking what's the name of it? What's the scientific name of this little green piece?
I think it's the sense hat.
No, what's the scientific name of this thing?
I just told you.
They don't say nothing in this context about no sense hat.
Did you read the book?
I'm saying I'm looking in the content so I can go straight to the thing that's showing me how
Oh,
to do this part.
you have look, Courtney. Life is about finding information and research. You sound aggressive, but again, fundamentally, you
I'm
guys are
saying
not
I'm
reading.
looking right here trying to find it though.
That's because you right now you're not trying to read though. You read the
I
chapters. You
got
know,
the book.
the book has illustrations, Courtney. This is fundamental learning.
I know, but you said read though. You ain't say look at pictures.
I said to read chapter 1, sir, and chapter 2. I was very specific, sir. Stop that. That's no read. You have to put the work in.
Mr. Rush.
he left.
No, he right there.
Sorry, no, what happened? What happened?
So when you was doing, when you was typing and stuff like that, was it when you press P? Did it come up as a minus sign?
When you press P,
Yeah, I'm finna show you. Cause I have to figure out how to do it by myself. I was just clicking in.
as did I.
So right here, when I press P, it comes up as a minus sign. So I pressed this down here, and it came up as all the other letters. But I figured it out now.
So what happened? Why was it doing that?
It's doing better. But I was asking your computer to put you through that too.
I didn't go through them problems. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I did or didn't do that y'all did or didn't do. I don't know.
Yeah, cause mine just coming up like it come up as when I put the P, it come up as a the minus sign. And I put a O, it come up as a 6. So I have to press the N and then press the letter at the same time.
I don't know, but y'all about to make me go upstairs and go get mines though. I'll tell you that. I don't know. I ain't see these situations.
And then Mr. Tyler was telling me that I would have to use what was it? Bluetooth or get a pair of headphones because my sound wasn't working.
You say your sound wasn't working?
Yeah.
How about telling you about HDMI cabling?
Oh,
An HDMI cable presents both video and audio, Kylie.
Mr. Tyler, where am I gonna put my HDMI?
Well, I was saying the fix. I didn't say you had the technology at home. You don't have an HDMI TV over there? Or, my bad.
No, I'm poor, Mr. Tyler.
All right. I'll try to get you a headset or something. My bad.
we poor too.
Mr. Rush, that's not funny.
No, he right, though. That's not being funny. All right. So it's 11:01. I want to give you guys time to work on this. Read the book. I keep saying that. I had to, pop my son on the head like a few times. Like, no, you didn't read the book. Because he was trying to get back to playing his video game. And I knew what time it was. But honestly, you are going to run into issues if you don't sit down and read that book. And say what?
I was talking to Courtney. Another way that he can actually learn how to do it. So you can do it the way I did it and don't plug the little piece up right there. And then you just log in and update it and put the Wi-Fi password in there. And as you going up to the internet, they shows you. It says teach, learn, and make. So you could by the Raspberry Pi 400, you go to find out more, and it gives you more ways that it work and more ways to update your Raspberry. So it won't be that difficult for you, just in case if you still need help with it. Like me, I just press the software, which is how to get to know it more and I press help, and I search the things that I needed to be helped with. But it also have a search bar for anything that you needed or anything like that. But you can scroll down. It tells you more about the Raspberry, um, the recreating trigger, and it also shows you the assignment that we did yesterday. It got portfolio. I don't know how to say that word, but it got something like that inside of here.
Portfolio. That's what I'm helping you guys create. Yeah.
It's something like that in here, and then it's called a new book. Help my broken computer. Um, so yeah, it's a lot of stuff in here that you can learn how to just work your Raspberry with. Cause I went through it last night. It was some decent.
Thank you, Kylie. Awesome. So again, I wanted you guys to have time to get ready for GGI. They're going to re-explain all the great events they have coming up for you, codes, and all these great things. If you weren't in Townhouse, you want to make sure you get over to GGI. The staff, I'm sorry.
I have to plug it up.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
So, Rush, did you want to mention any of the things before they get? It's up to you to let them leave, or if you had more to say. But I'm looking at the clock, so that's why I'm like, oh boy.
Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna check in on them again today. I think they just need some time to get that together because they ain't even really got that all the way straight like this should. So there's a way we can let them work on that some more. Like you said, time is an issue right now. So it don't even really matter what I'm about to say because they didn't even get done this process right here. Unless you want me to just show them the screen sharing thing real quick or something, but
no, 6 minutes so they can follow up with us on NSB. Kylie, you had a question?
So with the questions that we wanted to ask yesterday, can we just write them down in a Google Doc?
Mm-hmm. That'll work. If you got questions for me, I'll try to answer them. But if I don't answer them, you'll know.
No, I'm talking about for tomorrow, for the event for tomorrow.
Right. So those go into your 2-page report. So questions like you're answering. Right. Well, you got to, if you can get the kit working like mine, you don't have to write the report.
All right, Mrs. Island.
All right. I just wanted y'all to understand how this works. I don't want no smoke with y'all. But yeah, that's how that works. You need to make the kit work. Like my children
in the chat.
Can I put what?
GGI.
That's right. You need the GGI link. Can you see my screen still?
Yeah.
All right. So you got to toggle between screens. I was like hoping Rush could explain that. Rush, can you do that with us real quick? The explain screen and do you have the GGI link already?
Yeah, I can give it to them. Let me sit down.
I'll be trying to sit over here and work on Patton's information in that spreadsheet, and I just be getting thrown off.
All right.
You're gonna be mad at me. I'm not gonna get this done too fast. Boy, I got too much on my plate. I got it, Rush. There he goes. All right.
Oh man, I just got
I did it wrong. It's not a link. Darn it. It's not a blue link.
I got you.
I don't like starting over. Like I do this in the morning. They
Aaliyah.
Just so they can't say they don't see it.
Yeah, I was about to check on Aaliyah. Okay.
Did you, were you able to set your Raspberry up?
No, I've been asleep all day.
Okay. It's a process to you shutting it down, so it won't cause anything. So just don't unplug. You just gotta go inside the book and learn how to shut it down because it when I was just reading the thing, it can cause a malfunction inside for the.
You talking about shutting it down? Did she even set it up to shut it down?
No, I didn't even set it up.
Look at that. You talking about shutting down?
I didn't even turn it on. I don't even know how to turn it on.
You gotta have that conversation with somebody who built it already.
You talking to her? Kylie got it. It looks like.
She was asleep. The only thing she shut down is her eyes.
You with my business.
That's because Leah works, so she's probably tired from that.
Mr. Rush.
You ain't got no job like Tommy.
You did get your kit though, right, Aaliyah?
Yeah, it's downstairs in the kitchen. I don't feel like doing it.
It's in the kitchen. It's not in your room.
No, my room all the way upstairs.
It's kind of late, but it's Did you update yours?
Gabe has his set up. Maybe Kylie can help him. Gabe, do you have your Raspberry Sense hat
Yeah,
working?
we might have to put all these links inside the chat like that.
Because I don't want y'all to miss it, you know?
No, we got it.
She gave you the GGI. That's a good idea, though. I didn't think about that. I be trying to be all University of Chicago. Rush come in with the Philadelphia swag. That's cool. Oh, Gabe got his camera on. Look, everybody. Check it.
I gotta see this. Let me. Oh, I gotta see this.
But Gabe, did you get the little piece that everybody was talking about working? The little, it looks like a rainbow.
See, everybody ain't get that.
So what? It doesn't work?
He got the
like he said it would.
It lights up?
No, it don't. It supposed to light up.
That's a problem. Mine's like up.
Mine's is lighting up. What's wrong? What are y'all doing wrong over there?
Hey Gabe, you got like that. You got like that. You got like that on
Saturday.
I don't know how to light it up. I put it in, it didn't come on.
Oh yeah, it's that book, huh? I keep talking about that book. Oh,
Yeah, Mr. Tyler.
that book. Yeah, I said that to my son. He's at Lindblom. He has a kit like yours. Y'all doing something wrong. Can't plug and play, huh? Oh, baby.
I'm gonna cry.
Go to the event on Saturday, and they can help you. If you don't, I'll know, because Monday's gonna roll around, and guess what? You're gonna get a flat 0 for that midterm exam.
Who? Not me.
Anybody? I don't know. We're gonna see. You gonna see, Rush. We gonna see.
You thought that was funny, Mr. Rush?
No, I was laughing at something else.
All right, it's 11:09. I've had enough fun. I hope everybody is there on Saturday at that time with Google, and you can bring that question out to them. All right, and get out of your midterm. But you need to get ready for GGI. Mr. Rush has graciously put all the links, which are the same link, in the chat.
All 200 of them.
He said 200. He's like, I didn't want y'all to miss it. So you click on any of those, it should take you to your GGI. I'll see you guys over there. Of course, everyone knows GGI is extra credit, so you need to participate. You just can't be there and not there. All right, so see you later.
Yeah, I start 11:15, right?
Yeah. So I'm trying to get y'all out of here so y'all can get a sandwich or stretch your legs.
No, it started at 11:14.
Goodbye.
Mr. Rush, don't start. Be safe. Have a great weekend.